Welcome back to Optimize Health, where we're making easy, healthy, and delicious meals. Today we're doing an exciting recipe that's going to be great for parties like Super Bowl parties and get-togethers. A great one pot for everything chili. And we decided to use beef, but you could do just about any protein. So I'm going to break down what we did. And make this super simple for you. So if you don't want to get all of the individual ingredients to season a chili, getting one of these taco mix season blends is really helpful. I also refer to chili powder pretty often, and I usually add my own cumin to give it a little more of a kick, as well as if you want it a little more spicy, you might need to add more heat, like some cayenne pepper if you like it that way. And another good trick that I have for my chili is using some turmeric powder just to boost the health benefits, as well as some oregano oil. And so we did, for this one, I just did 1 can of organic kidney beans, and I did 2 zucchini and about 2 pounds of beef, and then some tomato paste. Typically I'll do also additional veggies like kale. And that's pretty much it for this one. We wanted to serve this a little bit differently, so I'll show you that. You should talk to your doctor, healthcare provider, or veterinarian to see if any of these recipes, suggestions, or contents of these videos are right for you. Nothing contained in these videos are intended to be taken as medical advice. Use at your own risk. Alrighty, so I have put together the presentation here for this one, especially if you're doing a party setting. We used a bell pepper, and you can kind of follow the divots and grooves in the pepper to get a nice bowl shape to hold the chili. And then I did some avocado slices and some cheese on top. We're gonna serve this with a side of cornbread. I love to use this little cast iron for cornbread, and it's just wonderful. It's hot off the stove top. I just cook it on an open flame, and it's so moist. We're just gonna let that fall out, and there you have it. I hope you guys will try this recipe out and let us know what you think. I'd be happy to share a cornbread recipe as well, and please let us know what other types of cuisine you'd like us to try out, any specific recipes, and please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.